Welcome guys, this video is very important for you. This video is about CCMT special round participation. So in this video I am going to discuss about Annexure 5 affidavit. Okay, so already many candidates are asking to make video regarding this topic. So in this video I am trying to solve your query. First query is, does everyone need it? This is the first query. Answer is no. Annexure 5 affidavit is required only for the candidates who already participate in the regular rounds, okay, and get a seat. Participate in the regular round, get a seat, and yet he wants to participate in the special round. Okay, suppose from any round 1, 2, 3, you get a seat and you are not happy with your current seat, so you want better option, so you want to participate in the special round. So for that candidates Annexure 5 affidavit is required. Okay, second question is when it is needed. Okay, let's see. This is the format of Annexure 5. Here the date which is mentioned, read the point number 4 carefully. That I understand that if I do not register and pay special round participation fee during July 18 to July 20, this is the wrong date which is mentioned here. Okay, so according to the new revised schedule, this date is wrong. So I called the CCMT helpline. They said that they are going to publish the new revised format of affidavit. They are going to publish the new revised format for Annexure 5 affidavit, so don't worry, wait for the update. Okay, CCMT is going to publish this soon. You no need to make it right now, just wait. After the publication of new affidavit, you can make this affidavit. Next question is how to make it. Okay, how to make it. It is very easy to make. Just you need a RIS 50 non-judicial stamp paper, okay, which is mentioned here. RIS 50 non-judicial stamp paper. We have to copy the whole format on RIS 50 stamp paper, and then it should be signed by notary public. Okay, just go to your nearest court and make the affidavit. It is very simple. Within 1 day we will get the affidavit. Okay, so you no need to be worry about the time. Now how to make it. Next query is when will it be needed. Okay, so see the schedule of the CCMT. Publication of round 3 seat allotment, the date is 10th August 10. Okay, online document verification by officers of finally allocated institute, that is 11 to 16 August, and online admission. This is very important for you. Online admission in the finally allocated institute by depositing the balance fee online by candidate of all rounds. At this time, during this time interval from 11th August to 18th August, the Annexure 5 affidavit is needed. Who don't want to go for a special round, they have to pay the balance fee. Okay, suppose the admission fee is 60,000, you already paid 30,000, so you have to pay 30,000 if you are not interested about a special round. And if you are interested about a special round, you no need to pay the balance fee, you have to submit the Annexure 5 affidavit. So the time of submission is during 11th August to 18th August. Okay, so I will suggest you wait up to 11th August, see what you are getting from the round 3. If you are not satisfied with that, then you need to go for a special round, so then you need to make the affidavit. Okay, now the next question is the participation in special round risky or not? This is a very important question. Okay, so the answer is it is little bit risky. Why? I am going to show you. See, advertisement and availability of tentative vacant seat, it will be published on August 19. Okay, so before this date, within 18th August, we have to take decision you are going to participate in the special round or not. Suppose you get a seat in NIT Calicut. Okay, so in the special round, what are your willingness? You want to go for Trichy Warangal. Suppose you want to go for Trichy or Warangal or Surathkal. Okay, if you get any seat among these three NITs, you are interested to go. Otherwise, you are happy with NIT Calicut. So what will happen? Suppose within 18th August you decide that I want to go for the special round. But 19th August, the number of vacant seats will be published. If 19th August they publish that there is no vacant seat in the Trichy, Warangal and Surathkal, then what will happen? You already submit the Annexure 5 affidavit. That means you must have to participate in the special round. Okay, you must have to participate in the special round. If you didn't publish in the special round, at the point 4, at the number point 4 in the affidavit, I'm going to show you, just see. Okay, I'm going to show you the affidavit. Okay, just see. I understand if I do not register and pay a special round participation fee during the new date will be mentioned, my currently allocated seat of CCMT round will be cancelled. This is the main risk. Okay, this is the main risk. Suppose you get NIT Calicut, you are interested about Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal. If unluckily there are no vacant seat is there, so you must have to participate in the special round, and you must have to fill the choices. So you have to fill the choices of remaining vacant seats. Suppose seats are vacant in the NIT Surat. So you fill NIT Surat, and if NIT Surat is allocated to you from the special round, then your already allocated seat in NIT Calicut will be cancelled and you will get NIT Surat. Okay, NIT Surat or other NITs. So that is the main risk. If the seat doesn't remain vacant in your willing NIT, so in that case risk will be there. So for that risk, many students are asking why good NIT like NIT Trichy, Warangal power system cutoff was below 480 in a special round last year. Why below 480? Many students are asking this question. The answer is this, as because the special round is quite risky. I think what I want to say, it is clear to you. Okay, so my suggestion is that, it is my opinion, if you are satisfied with the seat whatever you get after the regular round, you no need to go for a special round. Otherwise, a seat, suppose you get a seat and you are not satisfied with that, suppose you thinking that I deserve more better seat than it, then you may go for special rounds. Okay, a little bit risk always is there. So if you have more query regarding this, you may ask in the comment box section. Okay, thank you. I'm ending the video here.